Hi everyone. This is Hassan from nTask. First of all, on the screen, it's what we call workspace dashboard, where you can, like whenever you log into your nTask account, this is the screen you're going to see, your workspace dashboard. So I have one, two, three, four workspaces in here. And if I wanted to add a new member in my nTask account, first of all, I have to add them in my team. So my team is Cake Factory London. If I click on this little icon and I need to go into the team settings, and the team settings, you will go into the user management. In here, I'll be adding the email address of the new member like this. Okay. Now, I can simply go to the send invite, and also I can add them in the related workspace as well. I have all those workspaces in here. So I'm going to go with customer service, and I will send the invite. That's it. This guy, Hassan Javed, will receive an email from nTask in which they can see the activation button. Once they click on it, boom, they're in your nTask account and also in that workspace. So that's it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.